Welcome. Today I'm going to be solving NECO 2019 Mathematics Past question 60. If y equal to 3x squared plus 5x plus 1, find the y dx at x is equal to 2 all over 3. A minus 9, B minus 1, C 5 whole number 2 over 3, D 9, and E 10. So we are given what? We're given y is equal to 3x squared plus 5x plus 1. 3x squared plus 5x plus 1. Now let's simplify this. First of all, we have that what we have to find the y dx. That is, this is what this the y dx simply means is what? Differentiation. So we have to differentiate what? We have to differentiate. Whenever you see the y dx, it means differentiate y with respect to x. That's what is the y dx means. So definitely we have to do that. So the y dx is equal to, now remember, in differentiation, whenever you're differentiating, when you're differentiating y is equal to x raised to the power of n, it simply means what? It simply means n x raised to the power of n minus 1. So this is what we're going to be applying here also. So here now we have what? 3x squared. So it simply means 2 times 3x raised to the power of 2 minus 1 plus, here we have 5x, and that is, since x is raised to the power of 1 here, so it's just like saying 1 times 5 raised to x raised to the power of 1 minus 1. Then because here is a constant, there's no variable here, it will be what? 0 plus 0. So from here we have that what? The y dx is equal to 2 times 3, which is 6. X raised to the power of 2 minus 1 is equal to x raised to the power of 1, and that is x, plus 1 times 5 will give us 5. X raised to the power of 1 minus 1 will give us 5x raised to the power of 0. And so the y dx is equal to 6x plus 5. Remember, anything raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So x raised to the power of 0 here is 1. So 6x plus 5. Now the question says what? At x equal to 3. Now whenever we see x here, we substitute 2 over 3 for x, and this is equal to 6 times x, which is 2 all over 3 plus 5, and this is equals to 3 here will give us 2, and 3 here will give us 1. 2 times 2 will give us 4. So we have 4 plus 5, and this is equal to 9. So 9 is the answer of this differentiation, given that x is equal to 2 all over 3, and that is option D. Thank you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.